So today I wanted to do a little activity that we can do with toddlers, maybe 24 months, 2-year-olds. This is called the stereognostic bag. And stereognostic sense is our sense of remembering what something is by just the touch. For women, for example, oftentimes I explain it as putting our hand in our purse and knowing exactly what we're looking for and finding it without looking. So it could be the same thing, when with any bag, that is the stereognostic sense. And so this is a little bag where I have paired items in here, and this is going to help the child develop this sense. What is also important in this is that senses, how we experience an object is the foundation of language. It is kind of the base of the pyramid of language. All of the senses, the warmth, the barrack, the texture, the smell, everything. When as adults, when we say a word, memories are brought back, senses are brought back. So this is to really encourage that sense in children, and it is also a very fun activity. So I have a little bag, and in here I have a few items, and so I am going to invite the child to help me find some of the objects that are in here. Oh, let's see, what do we have in here? Oh, a little pot. A little wooden pot. So here I would invite the child to put their hand in and to find the other pot. Would you like to try to go in and find? Let's see. Oh, there's the other pot. So this is really pairing in the stereognostic bag. There are other activities that you can do with this bag that I will have, that I have in other videos as well. For example, in here I have a nut, and I'm going to feel around and find the second one. There it is. Or, a hat. And again, a second little hat. Or lastly, I have an S-hook. Oh, there's the second one. So this is the stereognostic bag with matching objects for about a 2-year-old child.